Kong, tak absen ikran kemudian. Balik, tak absen masih itu kendali ikran. Kishte, jabo. Ani kecing aksan date. Dah mulai sepet. Kong, pynshynna Ksiar. Gimana kador jongna ya pina itena.
Hello everyone, peace out to all the Khasi Meghalaya people guys. Shibon, thank you so much. Shibon to all the Khasi people for the whole support guys. I'm really so happy to be reacting to you guys because you are always with me. So keep it out. And today we are checking jaliehjadoh. Jaliehjadoh, plain rice and yellow rice. Yes, I know it. You know how I came to know the meaning of music video? Because of the legend Nongseij. He is the biggest singer, one of the godfather of Meghalayan singer, guys. So yeah, he has this music before and I reacted to it and I came to know the meaning of jaliehjadoh from him only, guys. So this is Gabs from South Sudan, Africa. Kindly support the family, join the African, subscribe guys, put on the bell. Let's do it. 1 2 1 2. I'm not going 1 2. You know guys, people are watching but they are not subscribing guys. That is really so sad. Kindly I'm requesting, if you watch this video, subscribe guys. It will cost you nothing. Humble request. Shibon. Now let's do it. Jaliehjadoh. Jali and jadoh is very hot and jadoh
Kong, tak absen ikran kemudian. Balik, tak absen masih itu kendali ikran. Kishte, jabo. Ani kecing aksan date. Dah mulai sepet. Kong, pynshynna Ksiar. Gimana kador jongna ya pina itena. Kong, pynshynna Ksiar. Gimana kador jongna ya pina itena. Naduka tu kasih bangayo ya kador babreu bas kunjong pi. Namla kinban klen napos nutang ya pi. Namar pila penshobi yangan. Kong, kan lek pan na yin chong pi. Na ime na ipa kapin longi chonga. Kong, kan lek pan na yin chong pi. Na ime na ipa kapin longi chonga.
Don't behave like that. My mom, my papa already accept you. Kong, don't let me down for you because my mama, my papa already accept you.
Hey, to set nga. Ani jing akte tang song sor ji singi asli la akto. To set nga. Gad gababipan nga ai BJP. Gad gababipan nga ai be. Tapi kwa jali.
You know what? I'm trying to guess his word, guys. Like I feel like this guy from the song title I can only guess this is like a comedy song. It's like a funny song and the guy is trying to convince the Kong. You know Kongs always their head is very they don't listen guys, but you have to chase them to get them.
Jadoh ngan ai BJP. Dapi kwa ukau basau ngan man raya pi. Kang bapi la treyang ate wan nong kuslai. Bai bambai di ngan ai mangaya pi man la ugnai. Dapi kwa jaliehjadoh ngan ai BJP. Dapi kwa ukau basau ngan wan raya pi. Kang bapi la treyang ate wan nong kuslai. Bai bambai di ngan ai mangaya pi man la ugnai. Kong, ngan lek pan na yin chong pi. Na ime na ipa bapin longi jonga. Kong, ngan lek pan na yin chong pi. Na ime na ipa bapin longi jonga.
especially Kong. Kong is happy now finally. He accepted the boy. Yes, guys, it was nice. Yeah, the music video is nice and funny at the same time. And I just like it. I like it, guys. And like they are good. They are actually good in acting. Both, especially the boy, that the actor, the main model, is a very good acting and energetic, guys. And the dance was also nice. And the place for sure will be beautiful because it is Meghalaya, guys. So love it. Love you all. Enjoy your jalieh and jadoh. Peace out.